Here's a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Materials being wetted. White that you can see, there's the reflection of the lights. I'll look at this piece first. Nice multicoloured piece. Be fair, you can see there's a hollow here. Gonna lose that corner. Possibly. Colour bar running through here. Comes out the other side. Bit undulating. I think it's hard to tell whether that goes in very far or not, but I'd probably, as a guess, probably wouldn't think so. Bit undulating on the back there. The scallop over this side. Electric greens. It's right, looks like it goes right through to the other side. Another small piece. Pinks and reds showing underneath there. The bottom, I'd say. See the pinks showing through there. Lucky last but not least. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking. Cheers.